gonna do Oh, okay, there we go. We're gonna do a core circuit workout today. It's gonna be mostly isometrics, which just means we're not gonna do a lot of like crunches or things where we're doing a lot of contractions, more just stabilizing. Pretty much everything you do, any movements, any exercises, it's always important. Your core is always stabilizing those. So I'm a big believer in doing more isometric stuff where you're not doing a bunch of contractions or shortening and lengthening, which you don't really need to know, but that's just kind of why I like to do some of these things. I'm going to show you all of them quick before we start. And then if you also go to the group chat, if you want to put it off to the side, you can see the list of what we're doing in case you kind of get lost or forget. But the first one, most of you have probably done this, is just a plank. So we're just going to hold a plank for a minute. When we're doing this, you want to make sure that you are nice and parallel to the floor. You're not like this, not like this, just nice and flat. And we're just going to hold that for a minute. If at any point you need to take a rest, just take a break for a couple seconds and then get back up and finish it. So that's going to be the first one. Then we're going to go to a Superman. And the Superman, you're literally just pretend you're flying around outside doing something like that. Legs up, arms straight out, and you're just going to hold that. We'll do that one for a minute. Then we're going to have a side plank. So now kind of like our first one, but you're just going to be on your side. So stack your feet together, arm like that, and then we'll go 30 seconds there. We'll go 30 seconds here. And then from there, we're going to do dead bugs. For our dead bugs, you have your arms straight up in the air, like a dead bug just laying on the side of the road. And you're going to have your knees like this. One knee goes down, other one stays. They come both back together. Other knees going out. We're going to do 10 reps, so one on each side. Then our glute bridge, that's kind of low back, and then we're also going to be getting some hamstrings and glutes in that. You can do a single leg or both legs, but with that one, you're just coming up and back down. And one important thing is we don't want you jumping around too much. We want you just nice and controlled as you're going up and down. And then if you want, you can do the one leg. So then that would be 10 of those. And then we're going to do a rest. And then one thing that's not on there, we'll finish with a fun little plank thing that I like to do too, but it's a little bit different than the rest. But we'll get there at the end. So with that, let's get started with our plank. And we're just going to go right through all 5 or 6 of these right in a row. I'll tell you when we're switching, but you can start. I think Mr. Schnettler had some music. I might have to see if I can get that going for us. But Zana, you might have to give us some recommendations. We got 20 more seconds of the plank. Remember, keep that body flat. Kind of like you're just holding a push-up, but not moving. All right, we're going into our Superman. So straight into Superman. Arms straight out, legs straight back. And again, if at any point you need a break, just take a quick little break and then jump back in. "20 more seconds on our Superman. Okay, now into our side plank for 30 seconds on this one. Remember, stack those feet, arms straight down. And then same as with our plank, try not to get too down or too up. And then take those breaks as needed. 10 more seconds on this side, and then we'll switch to the other side. All right, switch sides. And then next is going to be our dead bugs. So you got smushed on the side of the road, just laying there dead. All right, into those dead bugs. So again, that's arms up, knees here, and then we're going 10 on each side. So that's 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, and then 10 and 10. Now we're into our glute bridge. So again, if you want to do 2 legs or 1 leg, you can. We'll just do 2 right now, unless you're wanting to be that overachiever. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. A lot of these exercises you can also modify. I'll show you a version of that as we go through again. Now we're gonna do our last one, which is our bird dogs. I think I forgot maybe to show you guys this one. But you're kind of like in a, I think what they call tabletop for a yoga pose. And you're gonna take opposite arm and opposite leg, and you're going out, and then you're gonna bring it back in, and we're gonna just stay on that one side for 10 reps. So 2, bring that knee, and try to keep that back flat, and we're not flying through going like this. We wanna be controlled the entire time. And I already lost count, but I'm gonna say we're at 7, 8, 9, and then that's 10. Now we're gonna do the other side, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then that's 10. We're gonna take a quick minute, so if you need a water or a coffee, something like that. A lot of these can get a little tough on your shoulders. Sometimes I notice my shoulders start burning before my abs actually start hurting too much. And hopefully, some of these are pretty straightforward, but the more you guys are doing these, the more you're going through, hopefully the better you remember. And then you can repeat it in the future. So you got about 20 more seconds, and we're gonna go for round 2. All righty, round 2, here we go. start off with that plank. And again, you can go either down, we can also be up. You pick which one you want to do. But here we go. Round 2. I like to mix it up each time if I can, just to keep it a little interesting. $20 more seconds on this plank. And then we're going right into our Superman. And Superman. Remember, if at any point you need a quick rest, take that quick rest and then jump back in. $30 more seconds. All right, 5 seconds and we're getting in this side plank. You pick the side and go. Remember, stack those feet. $10 more seconds. Then we're switching to the other side. And switch sides. All right, and then we are into our dead bug again. Remember, arms straight up. Both knees are together before the next one goes out. That's 4, 4, 5, 5, 8, 8, 2 more. And 10. Now we're into our glute bridges. You guys are awesome. So let's go into our single leg. We'll try to do single leg this time. So we're gonna go one leg straight out. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then we're gonna go down the other leg. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we're gonna go bird dogs. Remember, nice and controlled on these. We go arm straight out, leg straight back, and all the way touching. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Getting that arm straight out, other side, then hand to the knee or elbow to knee. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Zan, are we good with 30 seconds or do we need a minute? You be the leader here, Xana.
I've never heard Xana so quiet.
Halfway there, people.
I guess that's 30 seconds, Xana.
I guess so. You got about 10 more, so you better enjoy them, Xana.
Really?
All right, here we go, people. Round 3, let's go. Let's go. Plank time.
I glitched out.
Well, I'm glad you're back, Xana. Hopefully you're starting to get a little sweaty, working a little bit. I don't quite have the charisma of the P90X guy, but I'm doing my best for you guys here. And if you get a little uninterested halfway through the plank and you're just like, you know what, I'm gonna move up, switch it up a little bit, keep myself interested, that's fine too. And then next, again, we're right back to those Supermans. 10 more seconds. And Superman time. Thirty more seconds on this Superman here. And then we're into those side planks. And side plank time. Stacking those feet. If you want, I think I saw Miss Hallen getting the arm up in the air too, if you're really trying to challenge yourself. Sometimes too, whether you're planking or doing our glute raises, you can just change the angle, maybe put your feet up on something. It's gonna work your body in a little bit different way. And switch sides, which our bodies need. Our bodies are really smart and they like to be lazy. So the more we can do things different, the more our bodies have to adapt and get stronger and healthier. And we got 10 more seconds on this. And then we're in our dead bugs, squished on the side of the road. All right, dead bug time. Arms straight up, both knees to the chest. Shoulders should be off the floor on this one. And then we're doing 10 reps. I'm no math wizard, but I think that's 6. And we got 9, 9, 10, and 10. I'm going to show you guys real quick. We're going to our glute bridges. Just an option at some point. If you guys have it at home, you can do that with a exercise ball where you're just going to roll it. It's kind of like our glute rollers. If you've ever been in the weight room, you can bring it up. But again, otherwise you can just stick with the single leg or without a ball. But it'll just push your body in a little bit different way. And I'll do 20 of these if you're doing the single leg. That way it'll give you time to get that done. And again, my math ain't great, so we'll see where we're at. So 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And then our bird dogs to finish round 3. Now the ball's gonna keep rolling to me. You gotta get it out of here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're gonna switch for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Xana, 30 seconds good? I hope so, because that's what we're doing. And then we're there, people. Got one more round. And then we're gonna end with something real fun. "15 seconds and we're in our planks." All righty, here we go. Final round. Let's go, let's go, let's go. "30 more seconds." And then we're in our Superman. And Superman time. "30 more seconds on our Superman." And then we're in our side plank. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Side plank. Getting those obliques going. 10 more seconds, and we're flipping sides. And switch. Again, remember, if you need that quick rest, it's better to take a rest than to do it wrong. And 15 more seconds of this, and then we're in our dead bugs. And dead bug time. Arms straight up, shoulders off the ground, knees to the chest. Flip flop it. Now, if you have like a pillow or something, or a foam roller, you can lodge that in between your knees and it makes it a little more challenging. You got to hold it there as you switch your legs. One way you can modify this one a little bit. And I think 8, 9, 10, and 10. Go back to those single leg bridges. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then our bird dogs. Again, remember, nice and controlled on this. Should engage your core and your low back. Seven, 8, 9, and 10. Other side. Seven, 8, 9, 10. All right, final thing. If anybody can beat Mr. Allen in this one, I think you get a special shout out or something. But we're gonna finish up back to our planks basically, except this time you're gonna be rotating through your plank. So you're gonna start here, and then you're gonna come down to your elbows, back up, and then go back down the opposite way you went down. So if I go down here, up here, then I'm down here first, down here, up, up. But really doesn't matter. I might have just messed that up anyway. So you're gonna do that as long as you can until you're just like, I got nothing left. I'm dead. I can't do it. And like I said, if you beat Mr. Allen, you win today. You're the champion. So we're gonna start in 10 seconds, as long as you can go. All righty, people, get up in those planks and get moving. Oh, woo.
You got it, Sergio. Don't let old man Allen beat you.
Yeah, you're in the forest, Sergio.
Sergio, he's slowing down. You got this. Uh-oh, I think Sergio fell on his
I
leg.
think we lost Sergio. I think Mr. Allen's gonna break a world record here.
How long do we let him go for?
I think till he passes out.
Who's Mr. Allen?
You're the champion, Mr. Allen. Well, I've never wrapped one of these things up. I think I need Mr. Ward, who's the expert of giving announcement and goodbyes after WGYM, but I don't got anything else, you know?
That was awesome, Mr. Graham.
Thank you, Miss Allen. You guys were killing it from what I could tell, although I was a little distracted.